The peach blossom wine captures the aroma of peach blossoms and the flavor of rice wine. Let's pick peach blossoms and craft our wines. First, soak the glutinous rice in water for 3 hours. Next, rinse and dry the blossoms. The main ingredients of peach blossom wine are glutinous rice and peach blossoms. Layer the blossoms over the rice, adding another layer of rice in between. Steam the blossoms over boiling water. Then mix the distiller's yeast with warm water for fermentation. Transfer the mixture into a jar with a spoon. Sprinkle a bit more distiller's yeast to aid fermentation. Seal the jar and leave it to ferment for about 10 days. Then, on a serene evening, open the jar of peach blossom wine. Even amidst the bustling city, the fragrance of the mountain peach blossoms floods back.